Well, he has too many options. They haven't seen Sergio Rodriguez maybe throw the bench in Spanish. It's talented array of guards. While they're now come in, and this is again continues what really is the biggest question mark over three, is how are they going to take business down low without so much height distance in this team this year. Bill knocks down his first free throw. Might count for some of the reason why Jeff Quezon averages 29 minutes per game. It's a focal point for the Spanish. We talk about how important it is for Celtics to keep their rotation. This is the second free throw. A lion's share of minutes going to the solve for the Spanish team. Bruce is forces him to toss the elbow on the lane. The Shaw. Lost the handle. Then the great spread. Lucas Spinolis on the wing. Little hesitation dribble. Ooh, lost some talent. And Papa Nicolau will bring it back out. Breeze trying to exploit a mismatch. Turnover ball. Fernandez ahead. We've got foul. And it's an unsportsmanlike foul. And this is a talking